Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to cut and stitch a beautiful fitted bodice blouse with sheer cape sleeves, perfect for weddings or special occasion. We'll also add delicate embroidery or sequins to make it extra special. So, let's get started. Materials tools. First, let me walk you through the materials and tools you will need. Fabrics. Choose a solid fabric like sateen or silk for the fitted bodice and a sheer fabric like chiffon or organ. Za for the cape sleeves. Embroidery thread or sequins for embellishment. Matching thread for stitching. Scissors, measuring tape, tailor's chalk or fabric marker. Needle and sewing machine. Pins and an iron. Make sure you have everything ready before we begin. Step 1. Taking measurements. Start by taking accurate measurements for the blouse, bust circumference, waist circumference, shoulder width, length from shoulder to waist, armhole depth. Write these down carefully as they will guide your cutting. Step 2. Drafting the bodice pattern. Take a plain paper or pattern sheet and start drafting the fitted bodice. Draw a vertical line for the center front. Mark the bust, waist, and length measurements. Shape the neckline according to your preference, a round or slight V neckline works well. Draw the armholes, making sure they fit comfortably. Add a 1-inch seam allowance all around. Cut out your bodice pattern. Step 3. Cut in. G the bodice fabric. Place the bodice pattern on your solid fabric and pin it securely. Cut to pieces, one for the front and one for the back. Don't forget to add seam allowance if not already added to the pattern. Make sure to cut neatly for a clean finish. Step 4. Drafting the sheer cape sleeves. Now, for the stunning sheer cape sleeves. Measure the shoulder width. Using sheer fabric, mark a semicircular or flowing cape shape starting from the shoulder line. The length can vary depending on how dramatic you want to be. Add seam allowance, especially at the shoulder edge where it'll be attached to the bodice. Cut the sheer fabric carefully. Step 5. Embellishing the cape sleeves. Lay your sheer fabric flat. Now, it's time to embellish. Use embroidery thread to create delicate floral or vine patterns. Alternatively, you can hand sew sequins across the fabric for a shimmering effect. Keep the embroidery light to maintain the airy feel of the cape. This step adds that bridal sparkle everyone loves. Step 6. Stitching the bodice. Let's stitch the fitted bodice pieces together. Pin the front and back bodice pieces right sides facing each other. Sew along the shoulder seams and side seams with a straight stitch. Press seams open with an iron for a crisp finish. Step 7. Attaching the cape sleeves. Now, attach the sheer cape sleeves. Align the straight edge of the cape fabric with the shoulder seam of the bodice. Pin carefully to secure. Sew the cape onto the shoulder seam using an arrow straight stitch. If desired, add a decorative stitch or piping to reinforce the seam. Step 8. Finishing touches. Finish the neckline and armholes. Use bias tape or a facing to finish the edges neatly. Hem the bottom edge of the bodice as per your desired length. For the cape, You can either leave the edges raw if the fabric is well finished, or hem lightly with a narrow rolled hem. Give the entire blouse a final press to smooth out any wrinkles. And there you have it, a stunning G-fitted bodice blouse with flowing sheer cape sleeves, perfect for your next destination wedding or special occasion. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step stitching tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Happy sewing and see you next time.